Hello, my name is Janie Renée. I'm a mask artist. I dabble in this and that, so I like to do visual arts. I like to do a lot of crafty kind of stuff. And at the same time, I like to explore movement in response to a certain type of music or music discovery. I also am a master of words, so a wordsmith. I love poetry and writing songs. So of course, I'll carry that in my bag. I propose workshops with shadow puppetry. It's actually an art that's been around forever, but it's a very difficult to master kind of process. We have to learn about levers, we have to learn about geometry and physics and all apexes and all kinds of ways we can make two-dimensional puppets move. Obviously for the youngsters, just getting in between the light and the screen and being able to move a puppet on their own without their entire body interfering, you have to know where your body is in space and how you're going to make things move in a fluid manner. There's a lot to discover in that world, even for grown-ups. It takes a little bit of mastery. For the very, very young, I propose a workshop where the kids actually discover some of the most amazing classical pieces that have been written for kids. So whenever this music plays, they have to paint or draw what they think this music represents. And so just by being able to move to music, to have some kind of flow, some kind of rhythm, we're going to explore all of the notions that go behind this music and the creation of it.